In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize video thumbnails in Wistia. Thumbnails are the first impressions of your video content, so choosing the right one can significantly impact viewer engagement. Let's dive right into the process of how you can select or upload an eye-catching thumbnail for your Wistia videos. First off, you'll need to log into your Wistia account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the video for which you want to customize the thumbnail. You should see a list of your videos there, and clicking on the one you want to edit will open it up. Now that you have your video open, look to the left side of the interface. In the menu there, you will find an option called Customize. Go ahead and click that. This section is where all the magic happens concerning your video's visual settings and where we'll focus on modifying the thumbnail. Under the Customize tab, you'll come across a section labeled Thumbnail or something similar. This is your gateway to setting an engaging visual preview for your viewers. When you click on it, you will be presented with several options. Let's discuss each one so you can make an informed decision. Firstly, if you have a custom image that perfectly represents your video content, you can opt to upload a new image. It's best to ensure that this image is either a JPG or PNG file and matches the aspect ratio of your video. Common aspect ratios might be 16:9 or 4:3, and this alignment will help maintain that crisp, professional look across platforms. Alternatively, if you prefer a thumbnail that directly reflects a moment in your video, consider using the Use the Current Frame option. For this, you'll want to play your video and pause it at the exact frame you find capturing and appropriate. Once you have landed on that perfect moment, simply select Use the Current Frame to set that scene as your thumbnail. Lastly, for a more dynamic and engaging approach, you can choose a Video Thumbnail option that allows you to select a short video loop. This looping section will play seamlessly until the viewer decides to click play, capturing attention and piquing curiosity about your content. After you've carefully made your choice from these options, ensure you click Save to apply the changes. This step is crucial as it locks in your settings and prepares your video to shine with its new thumbnail. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps in Wistia, you'll be able to craft a thumbnail that not only represents your video content accurately, but also draws viewers in, boosting engagement right from the get-go. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy video editing!